How to change language in Adventure Escape Mysteries. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking to play Adventure Escape Mysteries in your preferred language, then here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the Adventure Escape Mysteries game on your device, whether you are using an Android or iOS, and once you're inside, once the game loads, you will see this kind of an interface. Go to the upper right corner and tap on the drop down and select the language you want to change to. Soon after you select the language, you'll see your interface changed to your chosen language. Right after you do that, you will be able to select a different language for the interface or the game. So that's how you change your language in Adventure Escape Mysteries game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.